So that's a strategy. That's how you win the game. That's how you actually accomplish great things. That's how myself, with my brand, which I'm super excited about, I have been able to get it to skyrocket in the middle of an economic meltdown. This is exactly the process. What happens with these audiences is that now you can start retargeting them. CBO campaigns, campaign budget optimization campaigns, all right? These campaigns over here are going to be basically throwing all these audiences. You grab this audience over here and you put it inside. You put it inside here. This one over here. This one over here. And you start creating ads to be able to retarget these people that are consuming your content. When they see your content, they actually get into this retargeting audience. And now you can offer them things and sell them things, all right? So the magic starts happening here. And once you get this going on a CBO campaign, you throw it all in there, campaign budget optimization. If you don't know what that means, it means that you throw all the audiences inside one campaign. Audience 1, right here. Audience 2, audience 3, audience 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One campaign, you select one budget, and Facebook is going to help you optimize for the best performing audiences. Whenever Facebook sees results, they're going to increase the budget on that one, and whenever they see lack of performance, they decrease the budget on that one. It all happens while you sleep. You don't have to worry about that. You scale the winners and you cut the losers. Scale the winners and cut the losers. What do I call a winner in e-commerce, for example? Well, on e-commerce, I call a winner anything that has a ROAS, or like they like to call it a ROAS, higher than 3. What does that mean? Return on ad spend. Return on ad spend means that for every $1 that I give Facebook, how much money do I get back? For every $10 on advertising, if I get $30 back, that is a 3 ROAS. If I do $10 in advertising and I get my Shopify channel to sell $12 in advertising, I got a slightly over 1 ROAS. I'm spending $1, I'm getting $1 back. That's not really profitable, right? So I want to shoot for 3 ROAS and above. Whenever I have campaigns that are performing at this level, I scale them to the moon. Every single day we scale them, as long as they have those numbers. And whenever I have campaigns that are under 3 ROAS, I bring them down. And this is very easily visible inside the Facebook Business Manager. When you customize the columns, you can select as one of the actual indicators ROAS. And it's going to tell you if you have the pixel in place correctly, which is something that we measure those metrics inside the actual dashboard of Facebook. All right. So that's a strategy. That's how you win the game. That's how you actually accomplish great things. That's how myself, with my brand, which I'm super excited about, I have been able to get it to skyrocket in the middle of an economic meltdown. This is exactly the process. I showed you inside my Shopify channel, and I showed you guys how I was averaging $100,000 in sales over the last 5 months, and suddenly in the month of March and April, I have taken off in a big way. And this is a strategy that has helped me take off in the middle of a recession, in the middle of an economic depression, all right?